Before the announcement of the Galaxy S24 line smartphones, there is a month left, which means that now there will be as many details about smartphones as ever. Powered by Dubverse. The Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone will learn to shoot video in 8K resolution, and in Samsung smartphones there will be more and more features related to artificial intelligence. There is a lot of news. Now I will tell you everything in detail, but before we start, I recommend subscribing to our channel and clicking on the bell so as not to miss the release of new videos. Hello everyone, Anton is at the microphone, let's go. A screenshot appeared on the network that confirms the presence of satellite communication support in the Galaxy S24 line smartphones. This is not necessary for regular calls or SMS, but for emergency assistance in places where there is no mobile connection or no access to the internet. According to insiders, this will work in the same way as on Apple smartphones. The user will be able to send a message to emergency services with a coordinate indication. And this, without a doubt, is a very important and useful feature, which will be available in a limited number of countries, like Apple. Let's move on, and here we have a camera. According to the insider Ahmed Kvader, we are expecting big changes in the Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone. According to his data, the smartphone can learn to shoot video in 8K resolution with 5x optical zoom, that is, without loss of quality. And I remember how people once wrote and did not understand, well, why do you need a 4K resolution? Here, most likely, the same will be. Like, why 8K? Well, firstly, this is the future. And secondly, if you personally do not need it, it does not mean that no one needs it at all. Well, thirdly, these are additional features when creating video content. They shot the video in 8K, reduced it to 4K and got the opportunity to zoom without loss of quality at the video editing stage. In general, innovation is cool and for the future. And finally, about AI. This topic is now promoted by all companies. Powered by Dubverse. Powered by Dubverse. Samsung must not miss this trend. The Android Central Portal reports that in One UI 6.1 several artificial intelligence features will appear at once. The first is generative wallpaper. They wrote a request and got unique wallpapers specifically for you. The second is weather effects on the lock screen. Powered by Dubverse. The fourth is the organization of notes. Powered by Dubverse. The sixth is the ability to re-edit the photo. For example, you added a sticker to a photo, and then decided to remove it or replace it with another one. Now it can be done. Powered by Dubverse. The eighth is to move an object from one image to another. And this is not all that Samsung is preparing for us. Powered by Dubverse. The AI era is rapidly entering our everyday life. Companies will introduce more and more things related to AI so as not to lag behind competitors. I, for example, am crazy about what Google is doing now. For example, take their dictaphone app. You recorded a lecture or a working call, and then bam, you got a text version, and also a shortened one with all the key points. Instead of listening to something like, well, in general, well, you get it. Anyway, the Galaxy S24 series smartphones will be at least good, and for some, the best smartphones on the market in 2024. Well, we will keep you up to date with the news and hope that the company will not let us down. And what innovations from the Galaxy S24 series smartphones are you waiting for? As always, we are waiting for your thoughts on this in the comments to the video. We read all the comments and answer the most interesting ones with pleasure. Well, the most important thing you can do is subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so as not to miss the release of new videos. You are on the Copy Pasted channel. I'm Anton, see you and have a nice day.